And here I have my dry pizza, my guandules secos, my dry guandules. I left them in water overnight so they could get hydrated. Now we're gonna wash them twice, and then we are going to put it to boil in my Instant Pot for 30 minutes. And we're gonna add 2 bay leaf and 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and we're gonna leave it there for 30 minutes, and then we're going to season them. Let's do it. And our dry guandules are already nice and soft. I put it in the I put it in the Instant Pot on the bean setting, and they're nice and soft. Hello. Here we have a delicious dry pizza or guandule seco, like we call it in Spanish, with coconut and pumpkin. Oh, this is delicious. I love beans, but I love guandules, whether it's the green one, the green pizza, or the dry one. Oh my God, this is my child in the Dominican Republic. If you want to learn how to make this delicious dry guandule stew, and you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel, because soon we are going to have this recipe step by step. Activate the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when the recipe is already uploaded to the channel. God bless you, and I see you there. Delicious.